Today's video is a little bit of a thought dump regarding frame adhesive. So a few months back I purchased myself some B5000, which is a clear adhesive, and I also got some S7800, which is a black adhesive. So this is just a multi-purpose glue, but apparently it's pretty good at sticking down frames, or frames, glass, most things screen related or phone related. So right now I'm applying some B5000 onto an iPad Air. So the biggest pro that I see with the frame glue is that once it's applied, stuck down, the overall finish should be better than using the factory adhesives that come with some of the LCDs that are available. So overall quality at the end should be better. But then also at the same time, since it's a more permanent fixture, if you've got any issues with the touch of the digitizer or the display, you'll essentially almost have to destroy it to be able to remove it, which then in turn removes the warranty side of it if you've got a brand new screen from a supplier and put it in, stick it down, and then it doesn't work. So then you've got more drama on your hands there. So for the warranty side of it, it does make it a little bit more difficult. But then again, at the same time, you should be getting products that you're fairly happy and comfortable that they're going to work perfectly fine. In the past, I've had some suppliers where up to 1 in 5 parts were faulty. I remember a few years back with iPhone 5s and 6s, I think I was having, I reckon about 3 out of 5 were faulty. It was a terrible ratio back then. But nowadays it's a lot better. But I think, yeah, in the professional environment, you should be using, I reckon you should A, be confident enough with the product that you're installing that it's fine, and B, the quality of it should be as high quality as you can get, at least regarding the overall finish of the job. Which leads me on to almost another thing, a bit of a rant, where mall shops which remove, or they might be brought in for a screen replacement on simply an iPhone 7, and they don't put any of the brackets back in. So they might they leave out the shields that go over the flex cables that connect to the board to save them, 3 seconds of time? Usually, well, the vast majority of my repairs, I go under the mindset that if it comes out, it probably needs to go back in. As simple as that. Where it shouldn't matter if it's going to save you 3 seconds, 5 seconds. It should simply just go back in. But anyway, that's a bit off topic. So as you've seen in the video playing right now, I've used the B5000 clear adhesive. That's stuck down. I've used a heat pad and just some rubber bands. I am slowly improving this method. The current go-to method's a small toolbox of computer screws. It does have a bit of weight to it. That on top of a heat pad, no lacquer bands, gets a perfect crush on it, and sticks it down there nice and firmly. But when you do push it down, and depending on the quantity of adhesive, it will push out the sides. So right now I'm just using some isopropyl to clean that up. One thing I did find using just the original factory or the adhesive from the manufacturer, the double-sided tape, is that it tends to lift near where the flex cable pushes in on the screen. So on this one, on the right hand side where the flex cable runs down and under, it tends to lift over time over there. Where at least using the adhesive, it should hold it down a lot firmer and a lot stronger, that it never actually eventuates and happens. So as with most repairs, I try to improve on the next one. This is one of them. It's another tool that I'll be using in the future. Also found it very handy on Huawei phones that tend to have very little frame, so there's not enough space to actually put any adhesive or any double-sided tape. So what I've been using there is these particular frame glues, and they have been proven to be pretty good with their results. So anyway, this is just a bit of a rant, rave, a fort dump on the frame adhesive or LCD adhesive. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.